How to make a letter on Canva app in easy, fast way. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a letter in less than 1 minute with Canva app. So all what you have to do is go to Canva. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go down below and click on the add option right here. Then search for letter like this, and now click on the first option and wait a few seconds. It will give you many templates right here. As you can see, now you can click on any letter right here. For example, this one. Okay, click on anyone here and wait a few seconds until it takes you to the page that you can edit it from it. Now here I can edit it as I want. As you can see, all this text can be changed as I want. As you see, now I can write anything. My name is Jacob, for example, and after you finish, just click download from here and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.